So we're here at Mining One-to-One Investment in London. Thanks very much for your time. Could you just introduce yourself and your company, please?
Sure, my name is McElroy. I'm the President and Chief Operating Officer of Fission Uranium Corporation.
And tell us a little bit about the company and the projects that you've got.
Sure, I guess as in the name, we are a uranium company. We focus in the Athabasca Basin. Our project is the PLS. We have the RRR deposit. This is one that over the course of a few years we've been able to grow into 140 million pounds, which is a big deposit. And it's famous for the Athabasca Basin is the high grade, and so we've got large, high grade, and in our case a very shallow deposit. So it's really the only one in the Athabasca Basin that has all three of those characters. So it's something that we're advancing towards pre-feasibility, and ultimately would love to have a positive production decision.
And so tell us a little bit about those future milestones and catalysts that you have on your development plan.
Yeah, sure. We'll have a pre-feasibility out in early 2019. The next step along the way there will be a feasibility study, a bankable feasibility, and that's probably 12 to 18 months beyond the pre-feas. So by 2020, we should be able to submit the project for licensing for a production decision, and if everything goes well, the uranium market, of course, cooperates with us, we could be a producer by 2025, 2026.
Okay, and obviously lots of meetings with investors over the last couple of days here in London. What's the key, if there's one takeaway that you have for investors, what would you say that would be?
Well, we've had a lot of meetings here, great response in London. We have a lot of shareholders that we've had for many years here. I think what's happened, uranium's been a pretty down sector for a number of years. It's starting to look a lot better. The price of the commodity is up about 40 to 50% just in the last few months. We expect some great improvements even going forward in the coming years. So I think investors want to look at the uranium sector as a place to get back into and look for the best assets out there and the best management, and that's what we have in Fission Uranium.
Fantastic. And just finally, how's the conference been for you?
This is a very good conference. As I said, we've had 2 full days of meetings, right from the start of the day to the end of the day, no breaks. It's busy, but that's exactly what we want.
Fantastic. Ross, thanks very much for your time today.
Thank you.